Hey everyone, I'm Jessie, Realtor with the Plowman team. I'm here in the heart of Courtice at 1661 Nash Road. This maintenance-free condo has everything that you could possibly need. Come on in and let's take a look around. Let's talk about this gorgeous main floor. You've got cathedral ceilings, open concept living that goes right into a little breakfast area, so cute with a bay window, and a gorgeous contemporary kitchen. You're gonna absolutely love this massive primary bedroom. Enough room for a king-size bed, a nook for a home office, overlooking to the living room, beautiful ensuite bathroom, and tons more. Thank you so much for taking the tour with me today of this gorgeous condo here in Courtice. If you'd like to have a private showing, call the number above, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can keep up to date with all our newest homes for sale.